Hey guys, me and Dave. I'm taking you guys out in a snowstorm. Go for a little ride. Woo-hoo-hoo. It is deep. Real deep. I don't even know if I can get out here. Wow, it's deep. Real deep. This is Minnesota, you guys. This is Minnesota. Duluth, Minnesota in a snowstorm. I'm right on Lake Superior up here, you know, so we're just gonna go for a short little ride and go back home because I almost got stuck getting out of there. So it's not good. Yeah, this is crazy. We're supposed to get 14 plus up to 20 plus inches tonight, tomorrow, so this is quite the big storm. Usually we get a big storm like this once a year, maybe, sometimes twice a year. But we get nailed sometimes. We didn't get one last year, but this year it is definitely whiteout conditions. It's very, very snowy out, and a lot of these roads are not plowed. I got it in four-wheel drive, but I almost got stuck getting out of my parking spot, so it's you're not guaranteed, even if you have four-wheel drive, to not get stuck. But yeah, it's bad. I'm just going for just a little tool around, you know, do a loop back home and stuff, but yeah, it's crazy. It's bad out. I didn't think it was this bad, but it's been snowing since early this morning, and